One of the ways to effectively use Kahoot in a distance learning or a cyber learning situation would be to take advantage of their challenge function. The challenge function allows them to view the entire Kahoot on their device as versus if you were to play it in the classroom and you project it and they are just answering with the four colored symbols. So in order to set up a Kahoot in a challenge mode, you go to your Kahoot that you want to use and you click play. Then, once you've clicked play, it'll give you two options. It'll give you teach to play a live game together, or it'll give you the option to assign for self-paced learning. What you would like to do is you want to play assign. Now, this is going to give you an option. This is one I have going on right now, so we're going to ignore that. This would probably not be there if you were setting yours up, but you're going to hit create new. This screen is kind of cool because you can set the date for how long you want the challenge to last. So let's say I want the challenge to last until Friday, April 10th. And you can also specify what time you want the challenge to close. By doing this, this allows you to give the learners a specific date and time that this has to be completed. I usually choose to turn the question timer off because it gives them more time. Personalized learning allows them at the end of the Kahoot to re-answer the questions they got wrong. Now, this does not change their grade on the Kahoot or the amount of questions they got right, but it does allow them to review the ones they got wrong. Random answer order I usually turn on too, which allows the answers to be kind of switched up. Notice you can have 2,000 people play this on different accounts. Sometimes that is changed, but for the most it's 2,000. Then all you have to do is you hit create. Then you are taken to this screen. On this screen, you can either share the link or share the pin. If you just share the pin, all the learners have to do is when they open the Kahoot app or go to Kahoot on the website, they would just need to enter that pin, then they'd be prompted to enter their name, and then they could start the Kahoot. It's very important, and I know some learners like to try to create avatar names or fake names. In the situation that we are in, it's very important to have them and remind them to use their real name so you can then enter it into your gradebook if you are. I'll tell you why. So this page is the page that you can return back to then in order to see how your learners are doing and to get their accuracy or percent on the test. So to see this page when you log into Kahoot, you just click home, and this is the screen you'd see when you log into your Kahoot. And over on the side here, this is the Kahoot challenges you have going on in process right now. So this is the one I had going on, and as you can see, 68 learners have already done it. But I want to do the one, and this is the one that I just created. I want to show you the one that I have in progress because you'll get to see some data at the bottom. So you just click that and it'll take you back to the original screen that I showed you where you got your code. And if you scroll down, you can see names and percents of learners who have finished this. If you click show all, you can continue to kind of scroll down and see that. And here's why I told you that this was kind of important in order to have their real names. Even though they are submitting possibly a screenshot of the leaderboard for your assignment for this as a completion thing, you can come back to this screen and see the exact percentage of how they have done, and then you can incorporate that percentage to a grade in your gradebook. Hope this helped. Thank you.